When not to touch a bonsai tree. Ladies and gentlemen, in the previous episode, we spoke about learning and about the price one must pay when working on bonsai without true understanding. Today, we move to a more difficult subject, not about what to do with a bonsai tree, but about something far more challenging, when not to do anything at all. The human instinct to interfere. Human beings share a very natural instinct. When something is not beautiful enough, we want to fix it. When something feels unfinished, we feel the urge to intervene. When a tree seems quiet, we assume it needs action. In bonsai, this instinct can be dangerous because a tree does not live by our schedule. It follows the rhythm of nature. And many failures in bonsai do not come from poor technique, but from intervening at the wrong time. When a tree needs to be left alone. There are moments when the best thing a bonsai artist can do is to step back. For example, after repotting, when new leaves are emerging, during extreme weather, intense heat, prolonged rain, deep cold, or after a major styling intervention. At these moments, the tree needs stability, not creativity. Bonsai is not painting. You cannot simply adjust a little more. With a living tree, every touch leaves a consequence. Not acting does not mean neglect. Many people misunderstand this. They think not acting means giving up. In reality, it requires even greater awareness. You still water correctly. You still observe growth. You still notice every small change, but you resist imposing your will upon the tree. This is not passivity. It is a conscious, disciplined choice. When technique becomes a temptation. Today, bonsai techniques are everywhere. Tutorial videos, advanced tools, endless designs on social media. And this creates a subtle trap, doing bonsai to prove that we know how to do it. The more techniques one learns, the more important it becomes to know when not to use them. A skilled bonsai artist is not someone who can do many things, but someone who understands what should not be done to this tree at this moment. A bonsai tree does not need constant display. A beautiful bonsai is not one that is reshaped every year. Many great trees endure because their owners know when to step aside, to let the tree speak, to allow nature to complete what human hands cannot improve. Bonsai is not a race, and it is not a stage for constant performance. Signs that you should stop. If you find yourself wanting to do just a little more, feeling impatient with the tree too soon, comparing your tree to images online, intervening again before the tree has recovered. Then perhaps it is time to stop, not out of fear, but out of understanding. The highest level of bonsai thinking. In bonsai, there is a quiet paradox. The deeper the understanding, the less the action. The longer one plays, the more one respects the moments of non-action. And when you are calm enough to leave the tree untouched, you begin to enter a higher level of bonsai thinking. In this episode, we did not learn a new technique. We learned something harder, knowing when to stop. In the next episode, we will explore another essential skill, how to truly see a bonsai tree. What should the eyes notice first? Thank you for watching. This is Beautiful Bonsai Channel.